Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how I got this look using the Mercury Retrograde palette, so just keep on watching. Hopefully we don't have no babies. I don't even want to go back home. Hopefully I don't leave you on your own. Hit you up with the bomb. Hey guys, so we're going to start off with the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette. This is brand new, so we're going to prime the eyes with some concealer to prep it for the eyeshadow. So I'm going to start off with Libra. This is just a nice pastel purple pink shade, and we're going to be doing an ombre look. So I'm going to tap that in the inner corner firstly, and then I'm going to tap into Haze and blend that on the outer edge. Next, I'm going to take Nebula and I'm going to tap that all over the lid. It's just a really pretty shimmery lavender color. And then I'm going to take the shade Supermoon and I'm going to tap that on the inner corner just to brighten it a little bit more, and I'm going to make a soft cut crease. And then you just want to go back over your edges with Libra and Haze to really blend. So now I'm taking Northern Lights and I'm going to prep the lid with some glue. And then I'm mixing it with this chunky glitter I got from a convention, and I'm tapping that all over the lid where we put that shimmery shade. And now I'm taking these glitters from MAC, and these are some really pretty stars. I just thought it would be really cute to outline the lid and really give it that Mercury Galaxy retrograde look. Oh, and lastly, I'm taking My Little Pony, you guys. This shade right here, I'm putting it on the inner corner, and it just has a really bright blue reflect. And then I'm going to top it off with some glitter to really make it shine. Next, I'm taking Momentum and I'm going to place that on the brow bone as a highlight. And then I'm taking Becca's Opal highlight and I'm just going to go over that to give it more shine. So for liner, I'm taking the NYX liquid liner and I'm just going to give her a nice wing, and I feel like this will just really make the look complete. You guys, these shadows are so amazing. Let me just tell you, they're all made in Italy, so they're very soft and buttery and they blend so well. I really think this is her best palette. For lashes, I'm taking these 3D minks and I'm just going to apply that on her eyes, and now we're going to move on to the face. I'm going to use 3 different primers. This is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. It's a moisturizer that really helps to replenish the skin and make it more nourished. And then I'm going to take the e.l.f. Booster Drops, and this is going to nourish even further since it's very dry outside lately. And then for pores and fine lines, I'm using the Benefit Porefessional and I'm having her put it on her T-zone. So for foundation, I'm using the Fenty Beauty. This is in the shade 310, and as you can see, you guys, this foundation is really beautiful if you really moisturize your skin. I know for some people it can be a little bit drying. And then for concealer, I'm going to take the Juvia's Place. I love this concealer. I can't put it down, you guys. I'm spot concealing, obviously, and then I'm going under the eyes just to color correct. For cream contour, I'm going to take the L'Oreal Pro Glow. You guys already know this is my jam, okay? I just love the shade of it, and the formula is so nice and sheer when you blend it out. For highlight, I'm taking the Fenty Beauty, and I'm just going to place that in her highlight areas just to brighten the face. And then I'm going to blend these out with a brush just so that I can still have that intensity of the color. These formulas are sheer, so if you use a sponge, you might take out a lot of the pigment. And I just want to apologize, you guys, with my hat. I didn't know that it was in a lot of the shots, so for future references, I will not be wearing any more hats. I'm just taking a sponge to blot away any excess concealer and define the contour, and then I'm going to blend out the nose contour with my MAC brush. Next, I'm taking the Wet n Wild liquid highlight, and this is really good for people with textured skin because it's not going to emphasize any of it and keep the skin looking very flawless. And for powder, I'm using Huda Beauty in Banana Bread. I'm going to bake, and this is perfect for people with texture as well because it's very light and airy and it's not heavy at all on the skin. For bronzer, I'm taking the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish, and I'm just going to bronze up her face with a fan brush. And I'm going to define the nose and bring the contour into the eyebrows, of course. And then I'm going to dust off all that bake. And as you can see, the skin looks really smooth and just beautiful. And then for the under eye, I'm just going to complete it using the same ombre effect. I'm going to do Libra on the inner corner and Haze on the outer. And then I'm just going to apply my mascara after I finished using all my powders. For blush, I'm taking Milani in the shade Coral Cove, and I'm going to place that on the apples of her cheeks and then set her face before we go in with highlight. And this is the Loreal highlight. It's from a holiday set. I don't think it's a staple in their line, but it has a pink reflect to it, and it's just perfect for this Mercury retrograde look. And then for blush, I'm taking Baddie on the block. I'm going to top it off to give more of a pink effect, and then I'm taking Opal from Becca and I'm going to highlight her nose. For lips, we're going to keep it nude, and I'm just going to line the lips with Cork. I really wanted to keep the focus on the eyes, so that's why I kept it neutral. So I'm just going to line them and bring in the edges to do like an ombre kind of nude. And then I'm taking the Lime Crime lipstick, and it's like a nudie pink. I'm going to place that and blend it, and then I'm going to top it with the KKW lip cream, and then go over with a lip gloss from Lime Crime. And this is the look, you guys. This is the Mercury retrograde. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!